if you find poses like handstand, forearm stand, or even bound headstand challenging, it could be because you have tight shoulders in the direction of flexion. Taking your arms up over your head is called flexion, and for those of us with tight shoulders, our arms stop at a certain point, and we can't get all the way into the alignment that we need. Here are 3 stretches you can do to improve your overhead flexion. Grab yourself a set of blocks, put them on the medium level, and then place your elbows at the center of the block, palms together. Walk your knees back so they end up underneath your hips. Then work to drop your chest down towards the ground. Now this action is going to stretch into your triceps and into your lats, which help you with overhead flexion. You can also use the wall. Standing at the wall, put your arms up on the wall, walk your legs back, and press your chest towards the wall. This will get all into your armpits and lats and support you in opening up your shoulders. Lastly, none of my students like this one, but Dolphin all day long. Elbows underneath your shoulders, lift your hips up, and press your chest back towards your thighs. Make friends with Dolphin pose, and you'll make friends with your inversion.
Want to learn to fly like a yoga ninja in record time? Click the link in the description to grab a free training and check out our signature program, Yogi Flight School. Thanks for watching.